Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 15th of May 2014. This is the trade for the day. As you can see, the trade for the day is African Rainbow Minerals, or called ARI. Share is currently trading at 203.99. The blue line is the share price, as you can see here. The red line will be the stop loss. This blue line, light blue line with the cross, will be the buying entry, and your green line is the target. The target price is 215.64. The buying entry level is 202 cents, and the stop loss level is 192.21 cents. As you can see, the share is in a downward channel here. I will discuss it on quick charts later on for you. And the opportunity is that the share could go to a high of almost 215.64 cents. Stocks to look at, so I see as yesterday, Roynet, RAE, last traded price 24.50, entry level is 24.54, target is 23.72, and the stop loss is 24.95. So what you read here is basically Roynet could be an opportunity trade from a high to a low. Entry level is 24.54, and the target is 23.72, and the potential you can gain out of this share is 3.34%. Tonguard, 122.50, that's the last traded price. Entry level 123.13, and the stop loss is 126.45, and the target is 116.48. So there could be also a high to a low level here. The current open positions is Shoprite, previous called up on the first newsletter, trading from a high to a low. The entry level is 169.59. The last traded price is 169.33, and the share is still flat at this moment. Other shares called SA Breweries, also a high to a low. Entry level is 557.50, currently trading at 557.29, and as you can see is unchanged at this time. Going downwards, you will basically see the top 40 shares. The blue line is the index price. It broke up for this resistance, going much higher. The green line is support. So we will discuss that also on the quick charts. Here's the industrials, the Dow Jones, and as you can see, the green line is support and the red line is resistance. This purple line is the current trading price of the Dow. It did close on 16,715 points on Tuesday, and currently it closed on Tuesday evening at 166.51 points. So this is this purple line. It actually came down almost 101 points last night before they closed. So they're actually testing this support level here. That's very, very important. The futures are currently a bit positive, but we need to see how they will open later this afternoon at 3:30. So it's very important to follow that. The J200, that's the top 40 shares. As explained in that newsletter, there's the red line, broke the red line upwards, forming new highs on the markets, and it's quite toppy. So we need to see they're also a bit positive. We will see how they open at 8:30 to give us direction for the day. Let's go to a few shares quickly. Shoprite is one of them, and as you can see on Shoprite, the green line is the upward channel. Currently it's trading between this 166.52 and the 175. That's almost a 9 rand range on the highs and the lows here. Big question, at any time if it breaks this 166 it could come down, or otherwise this one will start breaking up back to the 175, 179 in the physical short term. Looking at your indicators, it's actually telling me, Jock, this could be opportunity for this share to start rising in the short term. As you can see, most of the indicators are low, but I will definitely look at this to see what the direction will be, because currently it's trading sideways. Mr. Price broke this new high up yesterday, and if you can just go and draw up this channel here, and it's going to confirm it to you. Look at this beautiful channel still going upwards here. At a stage we really thought that the share is quite high, but the momentum is still keeping the share positive at this time. Look at this. So it's touching new highs on this specific share for the last 5-10 years, and this is the actual share's new high at this moment. So we need to see if some profit taking, some fear will come to this specific share in the short term. Let's go to Truist. Looking at through it, very important to follow this. Look at this blue line here, that is resistance. If you look at the cycles, the cycle is doing what? They're going down. Previously there was an upward channel, there was an upward channel, and this is the current upward channel. At any time, if this share comes and it's trading at 85 Rand 58, at any time if it breaks this 81, 89, 82 Rand level, we could most probably see it coming down. But we need to track this closely on this specific trade in the short term, definitely. Let's go to the banks quickly. And as we mentioned on the banks, this is Barclays Bank trading at 155 Rand 98. This is the Fibonacci, and it shows me 148.90, 149 is the current support. Look at this green channel, it's still showing positive at this moment, testing the highs here. Looking at some indicators showing that there could be a bit of a profit taking happening here, but the indicators are confused. Some are up, some are down, showing some downward trend. Keep a close eye on this share. Capitec, looking at Capitec, quite interesting what you're going to see here on Capitec. Upward channel, look at this red downward channel. Tested this high of 225 Rand, and there's a bit of a downward channel forming here. If you can break this 265, it's currently trading at 223. If you can break 222, definitely going to go back to this 220 to 19 levels. ARI. Now look at this share, very important to see this. There's the head and shoulder pattern, leg, shoulder, head, shoulder, leg. Now this was a pattern that is normally negative if it follows like this. Now what's the share doing here? If you draw a line up like this, it shows you there was a bit of resistance there in a downward channel. Look at this downward channel. And suddenly it went to this low here, now it's breaking up again. Consensus is it needs to break this point here of 206.38. We can break it, the next high is 209.92, and then the next high could be 215.66. But we need to see if the share can continue. So I'm going to put this on a weekly chart. It's confirmed there's a bit of a break up here, so we need to see if the market will start rising the share in a higher level. Very important to follow in the short term. So this is the shares I'm currently watching. Let's see what the markets do at 8:30 and what the US markets will do at 3:30 this afternoon. Enjoy your trading.